Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple of examples of isotopes of hydrogen here, and you'll notice there's a couple spaces on your note sheet for a couple other examples. But anyways, I'm just going to write out in this format. It's not like you have to do it this way, but it is nice to display your particles this way so that you can identify those pieces. Now, remember the top left number in symbolic notation is the mass number. The lower left number is going to be your atomic number. Notice in all three variants of hydrogen, the atomic number is still 1. I'm not changing the number of protons in that atom. So the only thing that's going to change as you pan through this slide is the number of neutrons. So we have regular hydrogen, which has 0 neutrons. Then there's heavier nitrogen, which has 1 neutron, and then the heaviest version of hydrogen has 2 neutrons. So the only particle that's changing in this variant of hydrogen is the number of neutrons. So go ahead and move to the next slide and try to do those next two on your own. I'll do a brief explanation of those as well.